Breaking news for millions of American seniors. The Social Security Administration has just released groundbreaking information about a massive $2,500 increase in Social Security payments. If you're wondering how this will impact your monthly checks, and when you can expect to see this boost in your bank account, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this historic increase and what it means for your financial future. Before we dive deep into these exciting changes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on crucial Social Security updates that could put more money in your pocket. Now, let's get into the details of this game-changing announcement. Today's video will answer all your burning questions about this unprecedented increase in Social Security benefits. You might be asking yourself, am I eligible for this increase? When will these new payments start? How does this affect my current benefit? And most importantly, what do I need to do to ensure I receive every dollar I'm entitled to? Stay tuned, because I'm about to answer all these questions and more. The Social Security Administration's latest announcement has sent waves through the retirement community, and for good reason. This $2,500 increase represents one of the most significant adjustments to Social Security benefits in recent history. The increase comes as a response to the rising cost of living and unprecedented inflation rates that have been putting pressure on senior citizens' fixed incomes. Let's start by understanding exactly what this increase means for the average Social Security recipient. The $2,500 boost isn't a one-time payment. It's actually being distributed throughout the year, which translates to approximately $28 extra per month for eligible beneficiaries. This additional amount will be automatically added to your regular Social Security payments, providing a substantial boost to your monthly income. One of the most common questions I've been receiving is about eligibility requirements. The good news is that this increase applies to all Social Security recipients, including retired workers, disabled workers, and survivors receiving benefits. However, the exact amount you'll receive may vary based on your current benefit level and other factors we will discuss in detail. The timing of this increase is particularly crucial. The Social Security Administration has announced that the new payment amounts will be reflected in checks beginning in January 2025. This gives beneficiaries time to adjust their financial planning and budgeting for the upcoming year. But here's something important you need to know. You don't need to file any additional paperwork or make any special requests to receive this increase. The adjustment will be automatically calculated and applied to your benefits. What's particularly interesting about this increase is how it was calculated. The Social Security Administration used a complex formula that takes into account various economic factors, including the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW. This index measures changes in the cost of common goods and services, ensuring that the increase accurately reflects the real-world expenses seniors face. But here's something many people don't realize. This increase isn't just about keeping pace with inflation. It's also designed to help seniors maintain their purchasing power in an economy where healthcare costs, housing expenses, and everyday necessities continue to rise. The $2,500 annual increase represents a significant step toward ensuring that Social Security benefits remain a reliable source of income for retirees. Let's talk about how this increase might affect other benefits you receive. For those of you who receive both Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, you'll be pleased to know that this increase won't negatively impact your SSI eligibility or payment amount. However, it's important to note that this additional income might affect other income-based benefits you receive, such as Medicare premiums or housing assistance. Speaking of Medicare, many viewers have asked about the relationship between this Social Security increase and their Medicare Part B premiums. Here's what you need to know. Thanks to the hold harmless provision, most beneficiaries won't see their entire Social Security increase eaten up by higher Medicare premiums. This provision ensures that your net Social Security benefit won't decrease from one year to the next due to Medicare premium increases. Another crucial aspect of this increase is its impact on working seniors who haven't yet reached full retirement age. If you're still working and receiving Social Security benefits, this increase won't affect the earnings limit that determines whether your benefits are reduced. The earnings limit is adjusted annually based on different calculations, and this $2,500 increase is independent of those adjustments. For those of you wondering about taxation, it's important to understand that this increase could potentially affect how your Social Security benefits are taxed. Up to 85% of your Social Security benefits may be taxable if your combined income exceeds certain thresholds. With this increase, some beneficiaries might find themselves in a different tax bracket, so it's wise to consult with a tax professional to understand your specific situation. Let's discuss some strategies for maximizing this increase. While the boost will be automatically applied to your benefits, there are several ways to make the most of this additional income. Consider using this extra money to build an emergency fund, pay down debt, or invest in necessary home modifications that could help you age in place more safely and comfortably. One aspect that's particularly noteworthy about this increase is its long-term impact. Unlike some previous adjustments, this $2,500 increase becomes part of your base benefit amount, meaning future cost of living adjustments will be calculated using this new higher amount. This compounds the value of the increase over time, potentially adding tens of thousands of dollars to your lifetime Social Security benefits. Many viewers have asked about the sustainability of this increase. The Social Security Administration has confirmed that this adjustment is fully funded and won't impact the long-term stability of the Social Security Trust Fund. This should provide peace of mind to beneficiaries who might be concerned about the program's future. For those of you who are still working and planning for retirement, this increase offers an opportunity to reassess your retirement strategy. The higher benefit amounts mean you might be able to rely more heavily on Social Security income in retirement, but it's still crucial to maintain diverse income sources through personal savings and investments. Let's address a common misconception. Some people believe this increase might be temporary or could be reversed in the future. The Social Security Administration has made it clear that this is a permanent increase to the base benefit amount. Once implemented, it becomes a permanent part of your Social Security payments, subject to future cost of living adjustments. For married couples, this increase can have interesting implications. If both spouses receive Social Security benefits, they could see their household income increase by up to $5,000 annually. This substantial boost could provide opportunities for improved financial planning and lifestyle adjustments that might not have been possible before. It's worth noting that this increase also affects survivor benefits. Widows, widowers, and other surviving family members receiving Social Security benefits will see their payments increase proportionally. This helps ensure that surviving spouses can maintain their standard of living even after the loss of their partner. The Social Security Administration has also announced improved communications regarding this increase. They will be sending detailed notices to all beneficiaries explaining exactly how much their individual increase will be. These notices will typically arrive about a month before the new payment amount takes effect. For those of you who receive your benefits through direct deposit, which is the vast majority of beneficiaries, you won't need to take any action to receive the increased amount. The adjustment will be automatically applied to your electronic payments. However, if you've recently moved or changed banks, make sure your contact and payment information is up to date with the Social Security Administration. One particularly important aspect of this increase is its timing relative to other benefit adjustments. The Social Security Administration has coordinated this increase to align with other annual adjustments, making it easier for beneficiaries to understand and plan for changes in their total benefits package. Let's talk about what this means for different age groups. For those already receiving benefits, the increase will be applied automatically. For those approaching retirement age, this increase could affect your calculations about when to start taking benefits. The higher payment amounts might influence your decision about whether to claim benefits early or wait until full retirement age, or even age 70. The Social Security Administration has also improved its online tools and resources to help beneficiaries understand these changes. Through your My Social Security account, you can access personalized information about how this increase will affect your specific benefit amount. If you haven't already created an account, I strongly recommend doing so. Looking ahead, it's important to understand that this increase doesn't change the fundamental rules about Social Security benefits. The age requirements, earnings limits, and other basic program parameters remain the same. What's changing is simply the amount of money beneficiaries will receive. For those of you who help manage Social Security benefits for a family member as a representative payee, you want to review how this increase might affect your loved one's care planning and budgeting. The additional funds might provide opportunities for improved care or services that weren't previously affordable. It's also worth mentioning that this increase applies to all Social Security benefits, including disability benefits through Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI. This comprehensive approach ensures that all beneficiaries receive proportional increases to their benefits. As we wrap up this detailed explanation of the $2,500 Social Security increase, let's recap the key points. This is a permanent increase that will be automatically applied to your benefits. It starts in January 2025, and it doesn't require any action on your part to receive it. The increase will be distributed throughout the year in your monthly payments, and it will become part of your base benefit amount for future adjustments. Remember, staying informed about changes to Social Security benefits is crucial for maintaining financial security in retirement. That's why I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest Social Security news and updates that could affect your benefits. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this important news. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore important topics about Social Security and retirement planning. Stay tuned.